Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your favorite science teacher, Mr. Vargas. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that, smash that like button. Today's video is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. Just join up, get on the crew, and we'll decimate the competition. So we'll be getting into some natural selection. So with this assignment, just go ahead and click on it. And in the Schoology, it should take you to a document. Document looks like this. There's a little story, but bottom line, what we're trying to see is if a population of these Larkey rats kind of are hanging out on a mountain, what happens to their population if their habitat is destroyed and they have to move out? So you'll hit on this link. It'll take you to the FOSS web. And the main thing you have to do is basically just spam that let them breed. So a fire has ruined the mountain Larkey's habitat, and it's forced them to flee to a new environment. So you'll be doing both the studying Larkeys in the forest and also the Larkeys on the prairie. We're going to go ahead and choose the Larkeys in the forest first. If you read this section right here, this has the answers to questions number 1 and 2. Right on. Next, go ahead and, just like the Raid Shadow Legends, keep spamming that button. And once your study is complete, you're going to record your data for the P, or parent generation, and the F6 generation. Here is the parent generation for the forest. So you'll write those down. And here's the F6 generation. And you'll write those down. Once you've written those down, you can hide the table. And the thing that we're really trying to focus on is in the survival rules, how does this population change? So it says right here, maybe their legs and maybe their fur changes as they move to a different spot. Well, let's use a little pull down menu and see if their legs have changed. So we have short legs, long legs. And as we look at this top generation, there's a little bit of a mixture. But as soon as they move to the forest, we see a very significant change in the population's variation of legs, where almost all of them are short. And then the next thing you want to look at is their fur color, which you can do on your own. Let's start a new study up. Spam that let them breed, just like the Shadow Legends that we're rating. Again, here are your answers right here. You're going to be, now that your study is complete, you're going to be writing down the parent generation data and the F6 data. Once you finish with that, you can go back and read the survival rules. This will help you answer those questions number 3 and 4. And once you've described how the population has changed when they move to the forest and their variations, you can describe how they've changed when they move to the prairie and 2 variations that help them survive on the prairie. If you forgot what those answers are, you can always click the survival rules and they're right there. You can also just look at the photo. Short legs, long legs. Blending in, doesn't blend in. And these are called the predators. You can call them like wolves or maybe mountain lion cats. Not sure what they really are. And that's basically the end of your assignment. What was the environmental pressure that determined which variation would be successful? That's kind of like saying which one was killing the Larkeys and determined if they would be successful or not. That's going to be these little predators or wolves. And in the forest, I believe they were like some sort of mountain lion or cat. That's all. So again, this video was brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends, and hope you learned something. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.